SQF Practitioner. What do they do? My name is Felicia Liu, and I am a registered SQF consultant who helps businesses with their SQF program requirements. Today, we're diving into a critical of food safety compliance, understanding the role and responsibilities of an SQF practitioner. So, what exactly is an SQF practitioner? Simply put, the individual within your organization is primarily accountable for managing your SQF food safety system. They ensure your food safety plan is effectively implemented while complying with SQF standards. This role is not just a job title, it's a central pillar supporting your food safety and quality objectives. The requirement for an SQF practitioner applies to all facilities seeking SQF certification. This role is mandated because it ensures that there is a dedicated person on your team who understands the SQF code inside and out. That is responsible for its practical application and is ready to handle audits and inspections. What should you look for in an SQF practitioner? Key qualifications include a strong background in food safety, proven experience in implementing safety programs, and a deep understanding of HACCP principles, essential for managing and mitigating risks effectively. Working with a registered SQF consultant like myself can further streamline your path towards successful certification. We can help reduce the risk of costly mistakes and be audit ready. Call us at 123-651-32488 to discuss how we can support your SQF certification process and keep your business ahead of the curve. Have questions about selecting an SQF practitioner? Remember to subscribe to our channel for more essential insights on food safety certification.